I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I sit upon the kitchen shelf, so shiny, proud of little self, waiting for the kettle song to sing along all day long. The water bubbles, steam goes high. I wiggle, wobble, reaching sky. My spout is ready, here I go to share my warm and tasty flow. I sit upon the kitchen shelf, so shiny, proud